Just really get into like what makes Cole Cole? Like, what is he saying and thinking? Like, what are his tips? You know,
you have to be like a narrator in this.
Yeah. Talk him through it.
Okay, Cole. So what are you doing?
I'm going to try to find this measurement, the vertical measurement, by using trigonometry.
So how are you going to do that?
So I already have this measure 3 and this measure 7, and so I'm trying to find this vertical measure, and I can do that by using tangent, because tangent requires an opposite and an adjacent measurement.
Well, but you don't know this angle, do you?
I know that this triangle is a 30, 60, 90 triangle.
How do you know that?
Because it just is. It's a cone, and that's the type of cone they made. So
couldn't it use Pythag for that too?
Technically, I'm gonna do that. So Pythag, I need, because we have the hypotenuse, I'm gonna do c squared. Alrighty then. C squared minus b squared, which is 3, equals a squared. Okay. So then we get 49 minus 9 equals a squared. So then that's 40 equals a squared. Now I will find the square root of 40.
So natural.
So natural. Square root 40. That is approximately 6.3245553. Very good.
To the millionth place, please.
Yeah, no problem. Equals a. So now we have a height of that, aka 6.33.
2455532 centimeters. Good.
Yes.
Good.
All right. So you could technically use the square root of 40 when you're doing your work. When you put in your calculator, it's going to be a lot easier than typing all that in.
Yeah.
But now, why don't you go back and update your work here?
Okay.
Based on that. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Okay. Not education. Nobody uses the bathroom. You guys are robot students. Hey, go, get out of here. Break my heart. Okay. Okay, Brian, let's go over here to the kids that are breaking my heart. I said no bathroom breaks, didn't I?
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Very clear.
Okay. All right. What are you guys thinking here?
We've got all the volumes,
Yeah.
so I think
Okay.
we just
Last
divide
one
it
is
by
the
2
biggest.
Okay. So this question, you know when the volume, it is like from my back of my head's eye view. Okay. You found the full volume for each, right?
Yeah.
And did you find how much volume you'd have in the glass if it's not full?
I mean, you just have to divide by 2.
Okay. Okay, so that question is actually kind of 2 parts. So if you need more paper, there's paper right behind you.
All you do is divide.
They're saying, that's what I was asking, how much volume would be in there if it was half full. They're asking basically, what is the height? How full is the glass when it's half full? Because I could easily look at, well, you need to solve for the height when it's that volume.
Can you just divide by
Yeah, just divide the height.
or the volume?
Okay, so you could divide the height by 2 if it was the same exact width all the way down.
For glass one.
Only for glass 1. The other ones, because the bottom of this, didn't you guys find that glass 2, it's more full up here, more of the volumes in the top half than the bottom half. So we're going to have to actually go a little bit beyond that half sphere area. Okay, so don't feel like
Divide the volume by 2 and then you just solve
the height. Yep. So don't feel like, okay, and this is asking when is glass 1 half full. That one's pretty straightforward. So take that information for your volume, move on to the next page, okay? And I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? You're doing awesome. All right. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna go.
0. Did we find the volumes of each of our glasses? Yes. Please, Sarah, can you share the volume in terms of pi of your first glass?
54.5.
54 pi? Okay. Do we agree on that? Yes, we're okay with 54 pi. Okay, second volume. This one took 2 parts. Colette, you're on the front. 45 pi. What? Okay. Do we need to talk about that one? Yes. All right. Let's think about this. You guys told me, or we determined that we have a cylinder and a half sphere.
What's the volume of the half?
Okay.
Which one did you say was bigger?
3, 2, 1.
But if you already...
0.5. 0.25.
We don't need to go over it.
Okay, so we are okay?
We just added
Did you guys get? Did your group get? Okay, you guys got 45 pi? 45 pi, 45 pi, 45. We don't need to go over anymore? You guys found the error?
Yeah, we found the error.
Was it?
They didn't do
It's
it.
no, I didn't add
Okay,
it. She
the best
added
thing you
it.
can do right now is just blame someone else. Like, that's what I'm thinking. Shoshana wasn't in the room, so let's blame her.
Alright.
Shoshana?
Yeah.
It's alright, we corrected it, okay?
Okay.
Use precision. Okay? Alright, I'm proud of you. Stick in there. I mean, hang in there. I mean, stick it out. Okay? Hang in there. Last one. Of the last class. Which group have I heard from? A little bit from every group. But Noah? Oh, from you. $18 and 97 Exactly. Okay. Okay. Do we agree with this? Okay, which is why this is a beautiful glass, but there's a reason that I only own 2 of them. You know that if it doesn't hold a lot of water, I'm not interested. And by water, I mean coffee. Okay? I want the one with the best possibility for volume, which is why all of my glasses are that cylindrical shape. Mason jars all the way. Okay? Don't give me a round bottom cup. Don't give me a martini glass for coffee. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Like every day drinking over 2 glasses of coffee. All right, so which one wins our first? Oh, me, I know. The first one. Okay. So you guys have already predicted that. But part 2, if you turn your paper over, part 2 now says, when is each glass half full? When there's only half of the amount. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. It's actually on the front of your page, number 2. If it's asking when is each half full, what does it want you to find? Your height. Okay? So this group over here was talking about, okay, we'll just take the volume and split it in half. Right?
Yeah.
Is that a good first step? Is that the whole question? No. They're saying when, like how full, like when can I stop pouring until it's half full? One of these, all you're gonna have to do is divide by 2. Our first one, why? Okay, so Liz is saying it's like symmetrical. Sarah, you wanna add on?
Well, yeah, it's symmetrical. The higher shape has 2 bases.
Okay, the base on our cylinder is the exact same on top and bottom. So it's a consistent measurement throughout. If you take half of it, then your halfway point will be right at
The middle.
the middle, which is at what height? 3. Josie?
That just means that the width's the same.
Our width stayed the whole time, exactly. For the other two, that's certainly not the case. So yes, a good first step would be to take your volume and divide it in half, okay? But then you're going to need to solve for what? Our height. You need to figure out what height is halfway through. So keep going, guys. I want to see your conversation. Let me hear your ideas. Shoshana?
When it's a half full, can you just split the number in half? Does that make sense?
Well, that will tell you how much volume is in there if it's half full, right? So if I take all of these numbers and divide it in half, I'll know how much volume each of these glasses hold if they're half full. But that doesn't tell me how high your glass is. Because like this volume,
Let me explain you a theory.
okay. Regular volume, you're gonna have to do some either guessing and checking or solve for the height, right? Because this top part, the cylinder, it has more of your volume than the sphere. So imagine I actually had this glass here and I was filling it up. I would have to go beyond the spherical part a bit more. So, I mean, a good starting point would be like how much volume does the cylinder hold? Exactly. How does that compare with half of the volume of the entire glass?
I know how to solve it.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you wanna? I'll take this.
Sort of.
All right.
It's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna
Get back into it. Go that way.
Cool, I'm in my seat.
Yeah. Okay. You come over and check your work here.
So for the, like, I get the second one that you just have to cut it in half. But can you do that for the second one too?
For this, can I do what for the second one?
Like, just cut it in half because it's also 3 and 3.
Okay, it's 3 and 3, but this, all right, your full glass holds 45 pi, right? Mm-hmm. How much volume in terms of pi does the top portion hold versus the bottom portion? Let's break it up. This is 27 of the 45. This is 18. So if you're thinking about that, this 27 pi volume in the top is not equal to the volume of the bottom, which is only 18 pi. So if this glass was filled up to 3, it wouldn't be half full. Okay, so this is a good starting point though. You know that if I fill it up only the spherical part, it gets to 18 pi. But I actually need it to be at exactly 22.5 pi, right? I'm just looking at the number. Okay. You turn red so quick. So think about a process that you can use to figure out what the height is. Because we know it's not 3, but maybe it's a little bit more. Okay? Pause.
I mean, from the top and then.
All right. Are you saying it's 2.5 centimeters from the top or from the bottom? Okay. So why don't you actually fill in, if you're saying that, solve your equation with that height and see how much volume it is. Okay? All right. Work's looking good here. I don't want to be the one filming anymore.
Do you want me to film?
I'm more of a like in front of the scenes kind of person, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. You can.
You know, like about, you can? Is it rolling? So act natural. Be natural. A natural means you don't use the bathroom. No bathroom breaks.
Can I go to the bathroom?
No, you don't need to. Be natural. Do you want your paper? Oh, you have it.
Okay, so we're on the code on
Because I'm
number
trying
3.
to explain to them.
And we need to, so we have that half of the volume is approximately.
I'm so confused.
9.19 pi. So we have this, and right now we're trying to figure out how. Great filming.
Yeah, I just said it equal to the equation for a cone, and then I solved that, except x is height.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So we can start to look at this like we have our whole cone, but then what if I was looking at portions of the cone? So how would that change? So the only thing that's challenging with that is we need to get that a new slant height. So maybe your measurement, maybe you want to figure out, okay, what if the sleight hand is 4?
Sleight hand?
Did I say sleight hand? I mean small hand.
Oh, small hand.
Slant height. If the
Yeah,
slant height is not 7,
I always
but
do that.
4, then you can measure this distance and find what the new radius is.
I'm gonna go random. Okay.
And let's plug that in. I don't.
Oh yeah, it was 3. It has to be a 3.
And the circumference is.
Oh yeah, because we're looking at this. But it's definitely going to have to be beyond this halfway point because it's smaller in the bottom.
Yeah.
So when you're finding did you already solve for number 3.5 centimeters?
Yeah, that's what I got.
There.
Okay. And
We used this and then found how what the height is.
Has anyone found the half of glass 3?
yeah, I did. Actually, when I was solving this before, I looked at this 27 pi and kind of split it up. Okay, what if it was in 3 sections?
Yeah.
Then it's like I have an additional 9 pi in each of these. And 9 more would be too many because that'd be 27, right? So I want half of that. So I know that it's got to be only half of a section up. And that would be plus 4.5. And that gets your half. This is my favorite one to solve. This one, tricky. This would be like your definite challenge problem. And it's also like, that's so little amount of liquid. Why would I even bring a martini glass to school to drink coffee? Why would I even do that? I'll do it. I'll tell you why. Because like,
I go to the bathroom.
we don't go to the bathroom in this class.
May I go to the bathroom?
We don't can or may go to the bathroom when filming. Fine. Everybody matters. Go ahead.
Can I go film that group because they're talking?
They're talking. Okay.
Over there.
And it back.
Okay. Do I need to pause it?
I don't know. I don't know if I want you to pause it. Here.
Yeah.
Let's see what the other group is thinking. I like their thinking here. Okay. Just go on her. She's a student. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at your group. What is happening here? What stuff do we have going on? Wait, math? Oh, right. It's math. Okay.
It's not English.
It's not English. That's only between classes. Okay.
Point to math.
This is my work. How did you guys solve for your halfway point on glass 2?
Okay.
Okay.
So how we did that is, so since it's not like glass 1, it's curved on the bottom. So glass 2's volume 45 divided by 2 is 25. So when we
22.5.
22.5. And then when we
Hold on one second. Can you come around so you can see her work while she's explaining it? This is good work. Got it?
right when we divide the glass, when it curves, the height is 3. The height is 3 and the volume is 18 pi.
Right.
But since it's 22.5 pi, we know that it's going to be a little bit higher than this break point. So I don't know what you would call it. So
I like that.
And then, so this is 3. So we basically have to find, until it goes up to 22.5, we have to find this height. And my group and I found out that it was 0.5. So we just had to now calculate this height, and that was 3.5.
How did you get to 0.5?
So,
And if any of your group members want to jump in.
So,
Landon's like, my time to shine.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You're filming.
I'm filming.
Know your role.
Know
okay?
my role.
I'm timekeeper.
Oh no.
this is
Really?
This is our formula.
Okay. So if you want to switch roles and you can explain since you are the explainer.
Okay.
Explainadora.
It's me formula.
Okay. So you said 4.5. What is the 4.5?
So, because we already know this is 18 pi, we know that we need 4.5 more, like of the volume. This would have to equal 4.5 because 22.5 minus 18 pi is 4.5.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So basically, in order to find the height of this, we would use the formula 4.5 pi is equal to pi 3 squared times height. There, because we already know 3 is the radius of this. And then once you solve it, you find out the height is 0.5. And since we know this is 18 pi is midway, we know this is 3. And then we know that this is 0.5. Add them together, you get 3.5 as the height to be halfway. Yeah.
Okay. We saw another method over here. I might have you. What time is it?
Hold on. 12:44.
I don't know what time class ends, but I want.
Should I pause it?
Sure, pause.
Is it? Yeah. Math is fun.
Probably the bell won't ring on time.
I started it.
Here, one. Is it going?
Yeah.
0. I've lost complete control of the classroom. Alright guys, in the essence of time, I'm just going to have one method explained, and what I'd like to do on Monday is have you guys continue to work on this. Don't feel like you have to come to a solution right now. But Faylene, would you mind sharing how you came up with the height, the halfway height of just class 2? Just class 2. Yeah, come on up. 10. It's on 10. So you can come up a little closer if you want.
Okay.
Alright, so all eyes up front, please.
Cole, your head's good.
The entire thing is 45 pi. And if we're looking for half of it, then we know we're looking for 22.5 pi. And we also know that halfway, let's say that's half, this is,
Subtract half
this
of
is
6.
18 pi, right? And that this is
So 4.97.
3. So basically, because we already know that this is 18 pi, we know, and we're looking for a 22.5 pi. If you subtract 22.5 pi minus 18 pi, we'll get 4.5 pi. So we know that we're looking for this much more, an unknown amount. Like it's 4 point. We know we're looking for 4.5 more. So in order to solve for the height here, you can use the formula 4.5 pi is equal to pi 3 squared times the height. So it's the pi r squared times height formula. And then if you solve for it, you can take out the pi. And then you have 4.5 is equal to 9 times the height. Divide by 9 on each side, so you end up getting 0.5.
Hold on, guys.
Therefore, this is 0.5. And if you add them together, you get 3.5.
Alright.
Good job,
Awesome.
Faylene.
Thanks, Faylene. Oh, pause.